Good Thursday, everyone. Thanks for stopping by Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, your source for weather information for the Northern Mid-Atlantic 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith with the Daily Video Forecast discussion for Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2014. And it's relatively a bit to the region this morning in the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area with lots of sunshine and clear skies at sunrise here. There's a bit more cloud cover across central and southern New Jersey, but it's broken cloud cover, so it's not really completely overcast at all these locations. Temperatures this morning ranging from the chilly upper 30s over the interior, hillier sections of northwestern New Jersey and the Poconos and northeastern Pennsylvania, also up the Hudson Valley and into interior Connecticut here. But temperatures across southern Connecticut into northeastern New Jersey, the New York City metropolitan area, and out on Long Island already responding with that sunshine and a light north flow. With temperatures in the 40s and also mid to upper 40s across central and southeastern Pennsylvania, central and southern New Jersey, all the way down to the Delmarva this morning as well. Morning visible satellite imagery shows a cluster of rain showers and thunderstorms, mesoscale convective complex, if you will, northeast of the frontal boundary here across the upper Midwest, and that's scooting off to the north and east, but it's allowing some of its debris clouds to spill to the east this morning. It's mostly sunny or mostly clear across northern and central New Jersey, a few more clouds across Philadelphia and South Jersey, but there's breaks in that as well. We can see this very well with the dynamic lifting here across the Ohio and Indiana Valley here, region here, where a cluster of very strong thunderstorms moving through, very heavy rainfall moving through this region, leading to downsloping and drying, but some of the debris from this is spreading into the east. So there's an area where the skies are clear and an area where there's a little bit more clouds, but most of this is debris coming off from this complex out to the west this morning. We can see that on radar. Very dry conditions across the northern mid-Atlantic region. A few scattered showers that exited off the coast last night and early this morning. But the main story this morning is this cluster of showers and thunderstorms approaching the Ohio River Valley this morning with that mesoscale convective complex, leading to drier conditions here in the northern mid-Atlantic. Morning surface chart from weatherroanoke.com and digital atmosphere software shows low pressure now across the Midwest. And this is leading to a lot of lifting along the frontal boundary, which is trying to lift back north as a warm front across the Ohio River Valley here, with a smattering of rain and thunderstorms across this region. And downsloping flow as high pressure ridges in from southeastern Canada provides a light northerly flow today. This is compressing the air. It's also drying the air out in this region where all the lifting is being to our north and west this morning, and that looks good. If we look at the entire United States, we can see a bird's eye view. This area of low pressure here will begin to deepen, move rapidly towards the Great Lakes region, the St. Lawrence River Valley by Friday. Most of this convection here will stay to our north and west. Some of the clouds will begin to thicken and lower this evening. Could get a little bit of light rain later tonight, early tomorrow morning. And then this area here will spread a swath of rain as the front occludes. This area of rain will develop. Hopefully we're not having audio problems again, as we normally do with this darn microphone that we're dealing with here. It's a good microphone too. I don't know why it keeps doing this, but anyway, drier conditions across the region this morning. This area of low pressure moving up towards the Great Lakes spreads in more clouds and rain showers and even a low top thunderstorm. Not out of the question late tomorrow afternoon, right through tomorrow night. But the good news is all of this clears out with drier conditions and pleasant conditions on tap for Saturday and Sunday as well. It's another quiet day with no advisories on the ocean fronts yet, but small craft advisories may be needed later tomorrow through Saturday morning for some of the gusty winds and rain and increasing easterly flow. And also some drizzle and fog as well, where it's not raining so heavy, as that easterly flow will be building into the coastal waters. Meanwhile, for the skies, the aviational weather deck right now looks VFR, and that looks to continue basically throughout much of today. Outside of Newark this morning, it's broken ceilings at 25,000 and overcast, but other than that, just a few scattered clouds at 14,000, temperature 44, and the wind is light out of the northeast at about 7, visibility better than 10 miles. Some scattered clouds across the region throughout much of the morning and into this evening. And then by early tomorrow morning, the rain gets in here with overcast conditions at 7,000 feet. Visibility is a little lower with a light northeast wind. Maybe some MVFR conditions there and some light rain early tomorrow morning before dawn too with MVFR conditions. But outside of this, most of the region should experience VFR. And for Philadelphia this morning, 54 degrees already, and that's nice. Wind out of the northeast at 8. Basically, some broken ceilings at 20,000, also at 11,000 and 6,500. It's a nice morning out there. And we're expecting some broken to scattered clouds throughout the morning and afternoon hours. And visibility is better than 10 miles VFR conditions with a light northeast wind. Then by late tonight, early tomorrow morning, the light rain gets in here with overcast conditions at 3,500. Basically overcast at 900 feet, light rain and mist after midnight tonight and early tomorrow morning. Again, some rain and fog, some very light rain and fog. Visibility is lowering to below 5 miles early tomorrow morning near dawn as that disturbance moves through, and then we await for clearing during the morning hours and another batch of rain to come in during the late afternoon through Friday night. And the NAMWRF composite reflectivity forecast product from Penn State's eWall site shows sunshine overhead this morning. A little scattered clouds, scattered to broken clouds, central and southern New Jersey as that complex moves to the north and east. And we get into a light northeasterly flow, compression in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. Just some scattered high clouds across the region. Skies should thicken up with clouds, and maybe a little light rain gets in here from that disturbance pushing to the east late tonight into early tomorrow morning. And that pretty much gets out of here. We'll just have a little leftover drizzle or fog across the region, some low cloud in the morning. It looks like the convergence will continue throughout the day with more clouds throughout, winning out during the day. The fog lifting a little bit, but it's pretty raw tomorrow too, a little bit chilly with an onshore flow, and rain showers increase across the region as the warm front lifts to the north and the cold front is basically on top of us early Saturday morning. Find some moderate pockets of moderate to heavy rain across the region, maybe a half inch, maybe an inch, and any heavier downpours, maybe even an isolated low-top thunderstorm to enhance the rainfall amounts late tomorrow evening. And then the good news is that all of this gets out of here with clearing skies on Saturday morning. That sets the stage for a nice weekend, as cold air advection will not be too strong here in the lower levels of the atmosphere, and it looks like temperatures will rebound to near seasonable levels with plenty of sunshine by Saturday afternoon, clearing skies by Saturday night, and a scattered cloud cover around with pleasant conditions on Sunday. A GFS forecast into motion now. Basically, this cluster of showers and thunderstorms lifting to the north and east today, entering our region during this evening, later tonight into early tomorrow morning. The main low bombing out here across the upper Midwest into the southern Great Lakes region by tomorrow afternoon. Dragging the warm front to the north, showers break out with the isentropic lift, a little bit of fog left over in the morning too. And then the cold front and the triple point low begin to develop here along the mid-Atlantic coast states during Friday night, early Saturday morning. This could be enhancing the precipitation. Here with some moderate pockets of rain and also a low top thunderstorm. And then this triple low and upper level low here, surface wave here, moves into southeastern Canada and continues on its way. High pressure builds in across the Great Lakes into the mid-Atlantic coast states. And that would be for Saturday afternoon with plenty of sunshine, dry down sloping winds across the region, and generally pretty mild to average temperatures across the region as the heights begin to rise here in the means at the 500 millibar level. And then we watch for high pressure moving off the coast with dry conditions by Sunday afternoon and Monday holding on as the winds veer around to the south and southwest again. Here comes another disturbance out of the Gulf of Mexico, and this one is going to be moving just to the west of us towards the Ohio River Valley into the St. Lawrence River Valley by Tuesday, and as it does so, lifts a warm front and cold front, including through the region. Moderate pockets of moderate to heavy rain, maybe a low top thunderstorm, just stratiform rain basically around the region later Monday afternoon, Monday night, and early Tuesday morning. And the storm really bombs out across the Great Lakes region and the interior valleys here into Atlantic Canada by Tuesday morning and Tuesday afternoon. That gets out of here. High pressure begins to build in. Slightly cooler conditions, but dry conditions setting up for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday with moderating temperatures throughout the period. So it looks like a drying out period early after the rain from Monday night and Tuesday gets out of here next week. So all in all, when we get rid of this rain event for this evening, which will be light basically, and some early morning fog tomorrow, we should even see a patch of clearing possible tomorrow, but mostly cloudy skies, a pretty chillier day tomorrow, and then rain on the way for tomorrow afternoon right through tomorrow night. The good news is the weekend is dry and near seasonable as well, and then we watch for the big rain coming up on Monday night and Tuesday, which could provide some flooding issues once again, and then drier conditions settling into the northern mid-Atlantic region from Tuesday afternoon through Thursday of next week. For Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Remember that most people are otherwise, but you, my friends, are weatherwise. You have a terrific Thursday. We'll be back bright and early with you again on Friday morning.